Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gonger, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street, what you want to make first? Go ahead, click on the food you want to make. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh no, looks like we're missing honey. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the honeybee farm. Come on, let's drive to the honeybee farm. Click to start driving. We on our way to get honey. We made it to the honeybee farm. Honey comes from a honeycomb made by bees. Click to collect the honey.
Yay, you got one. There's another.
Thank you, bees.
Time to cook.
To make peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich.
First, spread the peanut butter onto...
Oh, yeah. Then peel the banana.
Next, chop the banana.
Cowabunga!
Chop, choppity chop.
Now add the honey.
Make sure to get it all. And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong the gong. Go ahead. Click to gong the gong. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Elmo.
Launch the catapult.
Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo. What do you want to make next? Go ahead, click on the food you want to make. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing corn.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the farm. We on our way to the farm. We on our way to the farm. We made it to the farm. Collect the corn. More corn. You are good.
Now, let's make some food.
To make cornbread, first put flour in bowl.
Now, we shook the corn.
Then put corn in bowl.
Next, add egg.
Yep. Then add sugar.
And a little bit of...
Next, add some baking powder.
Now, add some milk.
Yep. Then add some oil. mix it all together.
Stir, 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 stir. Then I put it into the oven to bake. Gongs away! Go ahead! Click to gong the gong. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Big Bird. Order up! Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird.